talks about how emerging markets are doing and how they expect them to perform this year as well. And they're saying that a risk aversion is what is weighing down on emerging markets at the moment. In fact, when we look at emerging markets year to date, they're down 12%. And what UBS is doing at the moment is they've taken a couple of assumptions with regard to oil prices and assess the impact of such oil prices on emerging markets. What they're saying is that oil prices will impact both growth as well as cost of equity, and that will in turn impact markets. So what they are talking about in terms of the two scenarios is oil remaining at $140 a barrel, which is already where it was last week, over a 6-month period, wherein they forecast that growth will be impacted from their erstwhile 5.3% to a 4% estimate. Further, they are extrapolating a worst case scenario at $180, oil being at $180 for 9 months, wherein they are saying that growth will be impacted from 5.3% to an estimated 2.5%. Now, that will in turn impact earnings as well, is what UBS is saying. In terms of what the cost of equity stands at the moment, they say that cost of equity has gone up 90 basis points year to date to 10.6%. And that is largely on the back of higher geopolitical tensions as well as higher inflation and bond yields also going up. And what they are saying is that this rise is weighing in on valuations and multiples. Cost of equity could weigh in and re-rate emerging markets P from an average of 10.7 times to 9.3 times. And that will mean that cost of equity should or may go up 1%, which is 10.6 to 11.6%. When we look at currently how relative valuations are, well, they are preferring economies which are commodity heavy, which include South Africa. The other overweights also include China. And in terms of the underweights, they are looking at India as well as Taiwan. So they're currently underweight India. And in terms of sector bets as well, they're talking about IT, financials and consumer discretionary outside of course, the energy basket. Back to you, Avan.